Hello there, I'm Dr. Quark, quantum enthusiast and, well, bit of a mad scientist if I do say so myself. Welcome to my lab where we're about to embark on a quantum quest that'll knock your socks off. You see, our current computers are like, well, a horse and buggy in the age of space travel. But quantum computing, it's like strapping a warp drive to that buggy. Let me show you how it works. Imagine these clay balls are our qubits. Unlike regular bits, qubits can be in multiple states at once. It's like having your cake and eating it too. They can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. Mind-boggling, isn't it? This quantum superposition is what gives quantum computers their incredible power. Now let me give you a quick tour of some of my other quantum creations, and this, my friends, is where the real quantum magic happens. Shall we take it for a spin? Now let's build our quantum computer. This might get a bit messy. We'll need some superconducting circuits, a dash of laser cooling, and a pinch of quantum entanglement. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Let's try again, shall we? Remember, in quantum mechanics, if at first you don't succeed, you might have succeeded in another universe. Third time's the charm. And voila! Our quantum computer is ready. It might look like a fancy refrigerator, but trust me, it's much cooler. Get it? Cooler? Now for the moment of truth. Prepare to be amazed. Great Scott, it works. Do you see what I'm seeing? Our quantum computer is solving problems that would take a classical computer centuries. With this power, we can revolutionize everything from medicine to space exploration. Imagine designing new medicines in days instead of years, or optimizing traffic flow in real time across entire cities. We could even simulate complex climate models to combat global warming. And let's not forget about unbreakable encryption for ultimate cybersecurity. Quantum computers could also optimize financial portfolios and revolutionize the economy. In the realm of artificial intelligence, quantum machine learning could lead to unprecedented breakthroughs. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. Of course, there are challenges. Quantum computers are notoriously finicky. They need to be kept colder than outer space and isolated from any external interference. Welcome, my friends, to the quantum revolution. The future is now. Oh, and remember, in the quantum world, anything is possible, even talking clay.